This is going to be just a quick little test using the homemade soldering resin because I've been curious as to that it's not conductive, and I've wondered about this since the very beginning but really hadn't tested it. So let's try it out. Okay, so now, and this one I'm gonna, or let's just do it here. I'm gonna put the common down and I'm gonna hold it against the aluminum so I get a reading. And I'll zoom in to see how I am touching the fluid. Now I'm gonna press all the way down through the fluid and I get a reading. I get a reading over here. But just touching the fluid, I get nothing. Fire up my Siglant SDM 3065X and see what I get out of it. Okay, so I took my same multimeter leads off of the Flux and I put them on the Siglant SDM 3065X. And open. So I feel confident that it's not conductive. Now, does it have traces of copper? And the copper pipe I used and a lot of green discoloration. Now I think that's what this green color is. PS Miniware versus Fernersi TS101 HS02 punch out video. I do some soldering using this, so I'm going to link that. Thanks. God bless. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.